Hi, I'm divorce and family law attorney Kyle Scoresby. This video is intended to give a very brief overview about the divorce process. Again, very simple. You need to come in for a consult to get more details. But let me give you the basic issues that are involved in any divorce case. And before we even go into the issues, here's what I always remind clients to keep in mind. There are only two ways to resolve your case. Either you're going to come to an agreement, or we're going to go in front of a judge, present the evidence, and let the judge decide. And it's more efficient, cost-effective, and clients are generally happier when we can come to an agreement. But in certain cases, when the parties just can't see eye to eye, we do take cases to court and fight aggressively for our clients. Now, whether it's by settlement or by going to court, there are four main issues that have to be addressed in family law cases. The first one is regarding the children, if there are children of the marriage. And there are two main parts to the child piece of the case. First of all, it's legal decision making. Who's going to be making the decisions for the kids, where they go to school, medical matters and religious matters. The second piece is the schedule. Where are the kids going to live? How much time with mom? How much time with dad? How are they going to split up the holidays and vacation and so on? The next issue is spousal support. We talk about spousal support before we even get to child support because the amount of spousal support affects the child support amount. In Arizona, in certain cases, long marriages and where there's a big disparity in the parties' incomes, Arizona law does allow for spousal maintenance. The third issue is child support. When there are children of the marriage, depending on the incomes of the parties, the parenting time schedule, who pays medical insurance, child care expenses, and a couple of other factors, there will be child support ordered, and those factors I just mentioned influence the amount of the child support. The fourth issue is dividing up assets and debts. Those assets and debts, first of all, need to be identified and valued, and then we need to come up with a division of those assets as fair or essentially equal to both parties. One last issue is that sometimes the courts award attorney's fees to one party or the other when there's a big disparity in the incomes or when one parent has acted unreasonably in the case.